same way as always, selling the top, buying the dip. It had a nice move to the upside, reached resistance, drop, took out some stop losses right here at the 199. I heard some of the stuff that you just talked about. So the idea is that a lot of the people watching it, or algos that watching it, saying, okay, that will be a great place to buy because it's a breakthrough of the resistance. So a lot of the machines are starting to buy here, and that will be a great place for big sellers to drop their shares. And that's exactly what it did. Basically, it broke through the resistance. High volume coming in at the top of the range. 199, it's a round number. Also, I got a pivot just a little bit below it. Added first chunk here, added a little bit more here. Now it's dropping nicely. We'll see if it can hold it. Add more as it goes to our favor, or play with the level of the 180 on WMT. We'll see how it goes. So far, so good.
Nice one, Michael.
Write it down for you. You owe me a trade. Both of you, actually. Because the reason I closed it, it was a psychological close.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
We brought on. It's going to go long. And yeah, it was a nice.
Well, either out of pre-market into the open session, or the first swing in the open session if it goes down to best execution. We didn't quite get there on the open. It didn't push right down there, but that's the area that I'm bothered about. That's the level that I would calculate, where potentially could Tesla stop to the upside. Now, I took the first benchmark and said on the commentary there that it's benchmark 1, it's in a sell side liquidity pool, therefore I started a small position and covered it on the break when it kept going, but it actually went to pinpoint benchmark 2 on this hit. And that is why I say, like, if you go to benchmark 2, it's like literally an 80% chance that you're coming back for that next liquidity pool, which at the minute for me would reside. Should I not say this, Michael? Are you still in position on?
Yeah, I got F in with a stop loss at the 196.90. Probably it will take me out. So the market will start dropping.
Okay, so I have it down lower anyway. So I think I have it down at 193. Let's say 193.50. If it wants to go grab that, that's where I would kind of see it now. So we're kind of stacking buy side liquidity on Tesla at the moment.
Waiting for my trade from yesterday. So it held perfectly the 200 EMA on pre-market 1 minute. One time, second, the third, drop very nicely. And we have this area of support between the 423 all the way to 422.50. Scott, we talked about it yesterday, and I waited until the end of the session just to get my hands on a long on QQQ, but it didn't happen, didn't reach this level yet. So guys, we've been talking about this trade for 2 days on our live streaming and waited for the Qs to reach the main support level in order to scale in, and this is exactly what happened yesterday. So I took that trade and entered with full position at the bottom here. You can see the field orders entered with 100 shares. Every time it dropped just a tiny bit more from 423.10 all the way to 422.29. Basically, as you can see, this is my average price here. And after yesterday, and Nvidia, thanks for that as well, because the move on Nvidia took the Qs up, obviously, and right now I'm in a profit of $9,000 with 800 shares on the QQQ. Let's go to the chart and I'll show you exactly how it looks like and the analysis that I made there. So basically the Nasdaq on hourly chart and 1 minute chart. If I'm going back on the hourly chart, you can easily see the main support level that we traded yesterday. So basically the price dropped, reached that main support level. This is a classic support. A resistance became support, another resistance, and obviously And obviously this is what we're looking for, main liquidity levels where the buyers will get their prices, the best execution price, and then push the price higher, of course. And this is exactly what we saw. So price dropping down, high volume coming in, nice positive diversion in the MACD, and afterwards I'm just basically scaling into the position. And as you can see, there was also a pivot point here, intraday level. Started to buy here. When it dropped against me, I added more within the risk parameters. So in total I was down about $1,000, right? So right now when you're looking at it, I'm in a profit of 1-to-9 ratio, and that's amazing. So risking 1,000 to get 9,000. Obviously I didn't know that the Q is gonna jump just like that, but of course this is what we do as traders. You take the risk, you're looking for the reward, and as long as you stay within the risk parameters, you're good to go. And this was exactly the idea that we talked about for 2 days in a row on our live trading room. So first of all, make sure you subscribe, like, and join the trading room. It's Monday till Wednesday, 9 till 11 Eastern time. And obviously thanks for Nvidia again for a great jump on after earnings. I mean, it went exactly to our level. We talked about it as well yesterday in the live trading room. The price dropped exactly to our level, support level, and from that point shoot up. And as you can see right now at pre-market, pushing higher. So thanks so much Nvidia, and best of luck guys. I'll see you on the live trading room Monday till Wednesday. Take care.